Hey guys, it's me, Miss Belle. I am getting ready to watch a movie, and the best thing that goes with movies is popcorn. Maybe you guys can help me make some. Okay, first thing, we need to get our ingredients. This recipe is really simple. We just need popcorn. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is to get our supplies. We only have 2 supplies this time, and one of them is a bowl. I keep my bowl right here in the cabinet, so I'm going to open that up and get my bowl. Perfect. Alright, and then the next part is the microwave. Well, mine is still in the same spot as it was last time. Alright, so our next step is to unwrap our popcorn. Take off that plastic wrap. Maybe. I'm having a hard time. There we go. If you're having a hard time, like I did, you could probably use some scissors. Okay? I'm going to put it in the microwave. But we need to make sure that we see the part that says this side up and make sure that we put that up in the microwave. Close my door. And our recipe says to put in 2 minutes. 2, 0, 0 on our timer. And then we can press start. Now we wait and listen. Okay guys, so I'm still waiting, just kind of listening to it pop. If that stops, I know that I need to stop the microwave and take the popcorn out. Okay, so the timer just went off, but I know that I need to wait because it's probably still too hot to get out. I waited for 30 seconds and now I'm ready to take the popcorn out. I need to be really careful because it's going to feel really hot. Let's go for it. I want you guys to look at where I'm holding the bag. I'm holding it up on top. Okay, that keeps me from burning myself. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart, making sure that it's not pointed towards my face. Next step, pour the popcorn into the bowl. So I had already opened it up. I'm just going to dump it out. There we go.